Just got some seats. Everybody's favourite Brit part. Come with all the fitting kit. They're a bit thinner than the original one that I had. I only had one, so it didn't look very nice. But looks alright. We'll tighten them up. Get it all in place. Drill a couple of small holes in here and bolt it up. Well guys, I've just put it in. I've got to bolt it down yet, but you've got nice straps that you can tie it on with. Pretty good. It's made a massive difference. Okay. Well, got to do the other side. Put this mat in the back, stop it all getting scratched, make it a bit more living like. Well, more comfortable for the dogs and everything. Nice, I got a little spot there at the end to keep stuff, and I'll bolt this one down and then we'll get the other one in. Alright, I've just started to open the next one. So you get the bag of bits, the instructions. If you're going to put this strap on, you need a rivet gun. And drag all this out. Alright, so you get the seat back, then you get the bit that folds down, the base. Bit awkward this camera and at the same time. And you got the nice base with a couple of pieces of string on the back to tie it on. I think I've tied this one a bit too tight because when it lifts up it only goes to there. Unless you were supposed to move this out, I don't know. But I'll probably just leave it down. I probably won't even bother putting this strap on. This strap, you're supposed to rivet it on there, so then it'll be always dangling, so I probably won't even bother with it. But I might put it at the top so it folds behind. Maybe put a drill hole in it or something. Alright, so we'll get this one in. What I found out after I drilled the holes is the holes are already there, I think. No? I don't know where they are. They seem to pop up after I drilled some holes. Well, I'll just drill fresh holes again because then I get them exactly where I want them. But yeah, you bolt this together here. A washer goes in between them. You can see on this instruction here, let me get that out. A washer goes on the outside, one in the middle, and then the nut on the inside. I used a small mounting slot. I don't believe that's a mounting slot. Yeah. I used I think it was a 6.4, but you could probably use 7mm drill bit or a 6.5mm. Right, I'll get this one bolted up, and then I'll show you when I've got a bit further. Right, well I found out the hard way because I tried installing this stud up, but then I found out that you can just slide it in afterwards, so it's easy to remove. You only have to take the bolt out in the wheel arch. It's not the bottom one because the bottom one's a bit too wobbly. It's the next one up on mine, so it's probably the same on all of them. Don't know why there's all this choice here. Don't know what that's for. Oh, maybe it's for a defender or something, I don't know. But anyway, short wheelbase, Series 3, middle one. Just one up. I normally put the bolt in through this end, and then I put one washer on the inside and a nut. I mean, you can choose to do whatever you want. I've been upgrading the ones that go through the arches to these big penny ones, so there's a bit more holding it down, so it doesn't have a pull point. They are both angled to each end. That's the way the short wheelbase is. Don't know if there's any difference in the other ones. There we go. Alright, I've just bolted these on. So these are facing upwards on both of them. You see there, got the washer on the outside, one in the middle, and then a nut on the inside. So there we go. I'll put it into position. I might show you a little video of how you get it in there, but I don't think you really need it. Right, so you just need to find out where this bar goes in. It goes in there. You need to tilt it, just give it a little waggle. Hold it at the bottom, and we're in. Now you can see there's a hole there, and I think there's a hole there. I don't know if you can see it, it's just there. That's where the bolts are supposed to go through. I'll probably just make my own holes. But yeah, that's how you get that in. And just kind of fold up. Quite easy really. A bit more difficult with one hand. Right, I'll probably drill them holes. Considering that hole's on the outer edge there, I think I might just redo the hole wherever I feel like. I'll get these flush so they're nice and flat. Pull it down a bit like that. Something like that. And then I'll drill my hole somewhere like here in the middle. See, that one's now dead center, but I might drop through there and put it in there actually. This side though, I can't because there's no hole there, so I'll just make a new one. Right. I'm just measuring this now. You can see we're about 14 centimeters, and that's what I did the other side at. So this should pull flat like the other side did, so I'm going to do that because I don't want it sticking out too far, and that's 14 as well. That's about where I want it. It's quite hard to see there, but you can see just there is where the hole was supposed to be, so that's where the hole is now. This hole, I actually drilled that one out, so that's the actual hole that you'll probably find in the back somewhere underneath all the paint, but I mean it doesn't really matter. But yeah, they do stick out a bit, you know, the loading space, but you can fold them up, so it's not too bad. Alright, we'll get these bolted up. I'm going to put that in from the underside, sticking up with that on it, so it spreads the weight, and then that's going to go on the inside with a nut on here. The nut and bolts, so they send are 11mm, so you know, the kind of same kind of size as the originals. That's kind of nice. Right, we'll get it bolted up. Right, we've bolted it in now. As you can see, it pulled it flat on both sides. I went for 14 centimeter gap. It seemed quite reasonable, and you was in line with the original drill holes, you know, where the original should have been. Yeah, that goes through there. The other side I did it quite tight, so this side I'm going to do it a little bit more slack, give it a bit more like freedom, probably something like that, so it doesn't fall off, but you've got a bit more room, and maybe it'll fold a bit easier. That's what I'm hoping, because the other one doesn't like folding. So I'll tie them up and maybe adjust the other side if it works out. Right, I've strapped that on. That will probably stretch there if I bolt it, if I clip it on right at the bottom. So it's a bit more loose than the old one was, you know, just to allow it to move. Gives you a bit more freedom, but doesn't let it go on the floor, so that's not too bad. And then we can lift it up. Whereas the other one, oh bloody hell, I've knocked all my dinner. Get bloody Uber in now. Bloody hell. So what happens when you get your dinner brought to you in the middle of a job, but you don't want to stop. This one doesn't want to go up past there because it's a bit tight, so I'll slacken them off, hoover all that bloody cheese up and clean up. Move it on. I might eat my sandwiches too. Don't look very appealing anymore, do they? Right, we've cleaned up the mess. We've adjusted this so it pulls out a bit further. Just goes back. It just stops it from falling off if it had nobody on it. That lifts up. Let me just put you there for a minute while I get this strap on. Oh, bloody hell. Alright, so that lifts up now. And yeah, that should go on there. I'll probably pot rivet these on. I mean, I've got them, haven't I? Yeah, I'll figure out how to pop rivet these on, because I've got to put a hole through it. It says you've got to drill a hole, but well, no, it said something about ramming a screwdriver through it. So we'll just put it on about there. Got the pot rivet here. Right. I'll whack them on and then clean up in the back. We'll be done. Right, just about ready to put this on. So that'll go on there. We'll pot rivet it on. Make sure you get that so it's facing out at the bottom when it drops down, so when it goes up it'll be hooking that way. Otherwise you'll have a twist in it. So what I did, I shoved that spike through there on the end, and then shoved that screwdriver through, and then that fitted. If you're looking for a decent pot rivet gun, because you probably need one since you got a Land Rover, this seems a decent make. This US Pro works really well. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but not had a problem with it. Alright, I'll just set it up and then I'll probably do a video of the pot rivet gun in action. It's going to be quite tricky to do this, I think. I think I need two hands. But I think it's a 4.2. Let me see if I can get it so the camera stays above the pot rivet. Where are we? There we are. Alright, let's get that strap nice and straight. There you go. Perfect. Perfect, look at that. Lovely pot rivet. It's a great gun. That's supposed to fall out, but I think I've got adjusted it wrong. Need to adjust it off. I think you do that by screwing out that little one. Is that how we do it? I think that's how we do it. How do we get that out there now? I can't bloody remember. Oh yeah, I think you screw out the big one actually. sure. Is you screw in the big one? It's out there and I can't bloody remember. Oh, it's in. See, you just got to set it up right. Once you got it set up right, it's perfect. That's great. Pot rivet gun. Highly recommended. I'll pot rivet the other side and I'll show you a video of it overall and then we'll put them up and see what they look like. Right. I thought we'd do a little video of me deciding how these go on. So I just figure out where it's going. I want it about there, so I take this, stuff that through a couple of times, and you can see the hole. Get a screwdriver, stuff the screwdriver through, back out, pot rivet in. And you just pot rivet it on. Right. Right, we got the other one on now. Bloody good pot rivet gun that is. I used to have real crap ones and they didn't do nothing. Here's another top tip, boy, you don't leave these lying around, otherwise you'll have pop tyres. Eh? Or you might get one stuck in your foot or your dog. So make sure you get rid of them. Especially this kind, because it's got a spike on the end. Alright. There we go, guys. The famous Brit part. Quality parts for Land Rover. Some may disagree. But I'd say them seats are very good quality. I can't complain about them. So I believe you lift that up there. I guess it's a two-handed job. Oh, I see what we've done. We're going to have to re-pot rivet it. Don't do it like that. You want it so it goes the other way. Up. Eh? Because we just lost that much distance. Oh well, I'll have to go get some pot rivets. Right, I've put these straps on now. I wouldn't say I've done it that far away from the end, but I'd say they're a bit tight. That's my one complaint with these. Come on, focus. You know, it's not that far. I suppose it has got a bit of movement in it. You don't want it rattling, do you? Yeah, very bumpy. You know, but it's pressing down hard there on the upholstery, so I don't know. I wouldn't really call that very good, but I mean, it does its job. You need a good strong hand to get them bloody off, though. Maybe two. Alright, so when you put the strap on, you do it that way, so it falls down like that. But I probably won't even hook them up because I don't carry anything in here anyway. You know what I mean? Not too bad if you need it to press against. Maybe it's just because everything's a bit new at the moment. A bit tight. But it's not that bad. Quite like it, really. Look at that. Bloody great. Yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.